Hey guys, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company and welcome back to another daily vlog. Today I'm especially excited. I'm also really thirsty. We've been having such cold weather and today is so beautiful. You might even hear that I have the patio door open next to me. We are sitting right here in my rec room in my new old home. And I'm excited because I've wanted to give a quick facelift to this space for quite some time. I've always said I love my Netflix time, my chillax time, my YouTube time, and sometimes I don't always want to go downstairs and hang out in the main living room. Sometimes I just want to like hang out up here and be on the same level with everybody else upstairs and not feel like I'm downstairs by myself, and also just want it to be really nice and really warm and cozy. So this little rec room that we're calling it, that we're using it as now, came with a little mini stove, just a small refrigerator, a little sink. You can kind of see the setup in the background. You guys see that right back there? Right there. So what I want to do, and I do appreciate having the kitchenette area here in this rec room because we're treating it as part of the entire house where we can all crash and hang out. But I love the fact that I can store like extra waters, sodas, whatever the heck I want to put in there in the refrigerator, extra pizzas, anything like that. Matt has also put a TV up on the wall for us at this point because I've already been making use of it. That's why there's some furniture in the background here. But I threw it in here, but I have not had a chance to really make it mine or at least put a little spin on it. So today is just going to be a quick flip. I believe strongly in the power of paint. I am going to paint these walls today, and I'll give you a big view of the space in just a second. I think just putting some paint on it will make such a big difference because right now I'm staring at lighthouses and sailboats and horses and carriages, and don't get me wrong, I'm a girl. I grew up on an island. I love the ocean theme, but I don't even know what's on the wall ahead of me. Is that flags? I think it's flags. It's wallpaper with stripes and colorful flags. So it's quite the combo going on in here right now, and I think at the end of the day, if I just put a nice solid color on here, already it would make such a difference. Now under this carpet, because I have already checked, there is hardwood. There's that real nice hardwood that you guys have been seeing me here in the vlog pull up through the rest of my house. The only thing is, in this space, they put tile. They stuck on tile over the hardwood. So getting to the hardwood is not only gonna be taking this off, this carpet, which it's not that bad, it's just a really short-haired blue carpet. I can deal with that. I can live with that until I'm really ready to do more with it. But I'm not gonna pull up the carpet today because getting those stuck on tiles, and I'll show you what I mean in a second, off would be a nightmare. Or at least a very long project that I am not ready for. So it's Sunday afternoon right now, and so this is a flip for me. Guys, you know that I have built my business at Junk Monkey Paint Company around my love of painting. So this is not work for me today. This actually feels like something I've wanted to get to for a very long time. And painting is my hobby, it's my love, it's my passion. So on a Sunday afternoon, I can't wait to flip this space really quick. And then by tonight, I'll be hanging out, watching YouTube in it, just like you. So guys, I was just using the cat perch as a wonderful tripod here for my camera. Okay, so we bought this new cat perch tree, cat scratching post, whatever you want to call it for the cat, and he refuses to use it. So if you have any ideas how I can get him to use this nice like Stanley cat, look at his gorgeous carpet. But no, that wants nothing to do with it. I'm like, let me take your paw, touch it, Stanley, touch it. And he refuses to use it. So anyway, if you have ideas, let me know. So this is the inside. Ooh, look at all that nice wood, clean wood. And this is just, these are what the closets are like in this space. They're absolutely beautiful, nice and clean. Guys, my last house did not have any closets. I feel like I've been gifted the gift of storage. I have no idea what I'm gonna fill all of this up with. So this is the actual tile in here. It looks scuffed, but I think that's maybe the design they went with. It was all supposed to look like that. It is kind of cool. I can appreciate it, but at the end of the day, I really don't want to have to pull up all this flooring and see what's been damaged with it. And it is stuck down, like I say, stuck down till the cows come home. So that is what is under this carpet. I think with these doors, I'm gonna have to do something with them as well. They are just all natural. They're all natural, and they're very blonde and very, oh, let me get that locked. They're very blonde and just need some, they're hungry, thirsty doors. So I may stain these doors. I do like that wood grain to come through if I paint the walls. I do like the nice white fresh trim with it. So maybe I will go ahead, I don't know, maybe I'll make these doors dark like I did with my floors. We shall see. Do you guys have any ideas? They're definitely not going to stay this blonde, just uber thirsty look. You see down there? It's like, please feed me, Sonia. I bet you these doors would be beautiful if I just even monkey shined them. They'd probably all pop. So stay tuned to see what we do with those. So we've got 2 big closets right here. Also back here we have 2 big closets. So we even back further. So there's closets that run the span. There's these 2 small ones here that I just showed you, but there's also a big closet span that runs on the outside. So holy moly, Stanley loves to hang out there when I open these doors for him, so he can go out in the, just like unlock the wings of the house. He does love that. So when you do come in here, this is the space. Refrigerator, stove, countertop, furniture from my old house in here, because this is Stanley's lair as well, which we're really trying to make it his, crash pad. And yeah, just the old furniture from the house. So now I can't wait to paint. I can't wait to put down a rug and really just bring it together. And then, like I said, Matt put our TV up here, so I can actually pull that out when I go to paint the walls. Speaking of walls, here we go. As I'm standing here, I'm seeing all these ladybugs come in. Is this the time of the year where the ladybugs attack? Holy moly. One just flew on my arm, and now I'm like looking around that window over there. All right, say goodbye, because this will be the last time that you will see. And let's give you a really good close-up look, because you can't appreciate it until you really see it. Like, look, right there. Cute. Not my style. Definitely not my style. All right, we gotta get rid of this. And then this is right what I was talking about right here. I was like, what is that? They're flags. I think they're flags with stripes, colorful flags. And so, how's that for a join for you right there? Now, my friends, I'm gonna paint over all of this. So she's been waiting for us to come and make her beautiful. Now, the color that I've picked, Black Raisin. It's called Black Raisin, and can you guys see how dark that is right there? It's like a black prune raisin color. And we're gonna go with it. I can't believe how warm it's gotten outside today. I just had to go and change up to just a short sleeve shirt. Holy moly. All right, Black Raisin. In here, I know what happens with paint. When you see it, sometimes it looks lighter than what it is when it dries. You saw what it looked like dried on the lid. So I'm trusting that once I put this on my wall, that it sets up really nice and dark the way I like it. I'm going back to look at this dot one more time, because I know the dot came from the color. See, I like that. Did you guys like that? I like that, right? So this sets up to that. Hard to believe, but let's do it. This is just the brush that came with it. We'll see how it works. If not, I'm gonna switch up to my Wooster shortcut. But it is nice to start with a, oh, okay. Do you see that? That's just brushed on, of course, when you, look, see, there's a little ladybug. Say hello. Where are you off to, Miss Ladybug? See, this is the difference, right? It looks so dark there and so light there. Tell me how that works. Oh my gosh, okay, I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's keep going, this is gonna be exciting. Okay, I had to stop. I got like that far and I'm like, oh no, we can't use that brush that came with just the, economic roller tray set. We need something better than that, okay? Proof that everything is not created equal. So I took time to run downstairs to my studio and I got one of my favorite brushes, which is the Wooster Shortcut. These are on my website at junkmonkeypaint.com. Just click under the tools section, you'll find it there. And hands down, I'm telling you, I don't know if there's ever been a situation where I have not grabbed for this brush. I'm just gonna finish up that corner in there, but I love, guys, how it's looking so far. And one thing I will always tell you that, you know what, just paint all the pieces, because like this was a gray cover for the heater. I just painted it all, of course left a nice fresh white. Cannot wait till I get over here around these cupboards. It's gonna look so cool. So when you are painting, do as much as possible to give as much coverage as possible to all the things, so that way it looks really nice and streamlined to your eye. And borders break things up. Can't wait to get to this wall either. Well, can we talk about how mighty fine this is looking? Oh my gosh, just finished this section. Gotta tell you, I'm kind of loving those doors right now. Doesn't it just prove that when you change up what's around the piece takes on an entirely different look, the room, everything. So, love the white trim. Stanley just came in. I moved his food dish. You might hear him chomping on something in the background. And I moved his stuff into the room, so he's in there, into that giant wing closet as I told you guys about. All right, which I might end up making maybe an entire wing, a cat wing. What do you guys think of that idea? Stanley will be down with that. All right, so the next thing I think I'm gonna do is come around this corner and do this little section right here. Oh, this is the last short wall I have before I go back up there. But at least I've got a countertop to work with for that. So let's get this corner done. Ta-da! Done. All right. And the last, we gotta get this piece done down here, guys. Oh my gosh, help me do it. Help me do it. Send help. I started over there. You can start to see it. At the end of the day, I saved the hardest piece for last. I've got to move the refrigerator forward, the little stove. All right, guys, the good news is it is done. Oh, that was a lot of work. A lot of reaching. I'm looking to see if I have any paint over my face because I could feel it flicking on me as I was going. Gone are the striped flags. So this was one coat all over this space. Let me do a 360 for you. Whew, I just opened the door. You still see it's still wet and drying. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now we just need to be patient. I open the door so that way the air could just kind of dry it and we can continue to work. So yeah, done. Mission accomplished. Tomorrow on the vlog, we'll come back in. I'll do any little touch-ups that I need to do in the daylight because it's starting to get darker. It's about like 5:30 right now, and the space is already getting darker, and I see that there are some lights burnt out in that track lighting up above. So I'm going to go probably run to Walmart tonight and see if I can find the same bulbs to put into this space. And then tomorrow we'll finish it off, make her look pretty, put the furniture back in there, maybe put some decor on the wall, throw a rug down on the floor, and really bring this space together. Hopefully that served you up some inspiration. Yes, paint over that. Honestly, just paint over the wallpaper if you are over it. Ain't nobody gonna judge you here, just get it done. At the end of the day, I'm so glad that I did because I really just don't have time in my life right now to take wallpaper off and border off. So this was a quick fix and I could not be more happier with it. It's funny because I grew up with my mom every season. I swear it was like wintertime, summertime, she would get a bucket of paint and she would paint the walls and I would see it go from blue to maybe a light neutral or something like that. And every time she did it, everything always smelled so fresh in like the living room, and or if I saw her paint her room or anything like that, the kitchen, you name it, I saw her paint over wallpaper. That's where I learned. Shout out to mom. But yeah, just the fact that you can change up a space with just a little bit of paint. So I am so happy and I cannot wait to make this space a little bit more mine. All right, I'm off to find something to eat, to power up, to shower, and all that wonderful stuff, and to get this vlog up for you guys today. All right, talk to you again soon. Bye.